Hey guys, it's Katie. How are you? I'm feeling better. I'm just still kind of sick, but I feel better. Da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum. I'm like tired, like right now. See this face? Tired. But I'm gonna watch some Deep Space Nine again. Take medicine and go to sleep. Then we got, look, this clip right here, just so you know, these are the most amazing clips. If you have lots of hair and it's long, you get these clips that look like this, and they are amazing. Look, it's Lily. Lily, tell them, hey, what's up?
Help mommy get the silver play button.
It's a silver play button. I don't think I'll ever get that high up in subscribers.
Should.
Why?
Because you would be happy. And you can make a special video of us throwing cake in your face.
Okay, if I ever get the silver play button.
We're gonna make a video of putting cake in mommy's face.
Okay, so just so you know, that ever actually
Lily
happens.
wants us all to be YouTubers so we can all get the silver play button.
Yeah. It'd be funny.
Alright, anyway guys, I love you so much. I'm gonna lay down and watch my Deep Space Nine with my marshmallow.
And I'm gonna take her marshmallow from her and she's gonna yell at me.
No. Don't touch. No. No.
Give me marshmallow.
No.
My marshmallow.
No.
It's my marshmallow.
No.
It's a marshmallow.
No,
I
it's
want
mine.
to eat it. I want to eat it.
This is mine.
Give me-
Mine. No, it's mine. It's not yours. Get off.
Give me.
I will attack you, Lily.
I will tickle you.
You tickle me, I'll get you in the face.
I will send my
Alright. Bye, you guys. I love you.
Yes. My animals will attack you.
No.
Except for BB. BB's just chilling on your back.
Bye, you guys.